In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert this PowerPoint that you see. It's my presentation of recent at a TEDx event. I want to convert it into a PDF. Okay, so we can do that from the PowerPoint platform. So we can go ahead, just come to file over here, go to save as. You specify the location where you want to save it. And let's say I'm going to save it on the desktop, and I'm just going to click on this drop down, come down to PDF. That is the conversion, the format I'm saving it as, and then I'm going to click on save. Let's say I'm going to replace this. I say no, let me just make a TEDx.R2, and then I can save. And this is now going to convert my PowerPoint into a PDF, just like you can see in here. And when you go back to the desktop, you should be able to see it converted. TEDx TDR2, look at it here. It's been converted also into a PDF document. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.